What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. This video is going to be the last of the Photoshop menu videos, and we're going to go over the help menu. It's going to be a real quick one. There's not a lot to learn in this one, but I just thought I'd make it just to complete the playlist. Before we get into it, just do the quick thing. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe, especially if these videos help you out. Also, comment down below with your questions. Like the video if you enjoyed it, and turn on them post notifications. With all that said, let's hop right into it. So basically, the gist of the help menu, you can see the version of Photoshop you're running, get online help, access the Photoshop Support Center, learn more about the installed plugins. You can also register Photoshop with Adobe and more. So Photoshop help, you click it, it just opens up the Discover window. And it's got some tutorials and help guides that you can check out. Hands-on tutorials, same thing, opens up the Discover menu or window. What's new, and it also opens up Discover, but it brings you to what's new in Photoshop. About Photoshop, it's just got a bunch of names, probably creators and stuff, and you just wait for this to keep going and read it if you want. About plugins, this is, you can choose Camera Raw, and it gives you some information about Camera Raw. System info opens up, you can check out all the system info. GPU compatibility just does a quick check on your GPU to see if it's compatible. Manage my account, this brings you to your Adobe account. It opens up a website or web browser. And sign out, you can sign out of your Adobe account if you want to sign into a different one. And then finally we got updates. It just opens your Creative Cloud app, and you can see what needs to be updated. You can update them all up here at the top if you want. And that's the help menu, guys. There's not a lot to it, like I said. Again, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. There's going to be a ton of content on Photoshop, other Adobe apps like Illustrator and Dimension, and we're also going to do things with video editing like DaVinci Resolve, color grading, things like that. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.